Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 6 of our JavaScript playlist. Alright, so here we will learn JavaScript data types. Okay, so what are the JavaScript data types? We will discuss here. Okay, so the very first data type is number. Number. Okay, so what is number data type? Okay, so number means any number we can give, any number. It number may be integer, float, maybe double. Okay, so etc, right? So number means all type of number it contains. Okay, and the second data type is string. Okay, and then we have boolean data type, and then we have undefined data type. We will discuss each data type in detail, don't worry. Okay, then we have null data type, and then we have array, and then object. Okay, so this much data types we have. We will discuss these data types. All right. Okay, so let me open VS Code. Okay, so let me delete this code. So now we will talk about number data type. Okay, so for example, I'm writing here let num1 equals to 1 2 3. So here I will display console.log. I'll say type of number. So what is the type of num1? So the type of number, we already know this is a number type. Okay, so let me open the browser, let me refresh it. So what's the data type? Number. Okay, suppose if I say 12.3. Now this is float data, but it will also show it as number because this comes under the number category, number data type. Okay, this comes under the number data type in JavaScript. Let me refresh it. Still, it is what number. Okay, so if you give large value, then it is also a number. Still, it is what number, right? Suppose, okay. After that, we have after number we have string data type. String data type. Okay, so for example, I say let, and for example, I'm writing here like something. My variable name is demo. Okay, and here for example I'm writing. So whenever you will write string data, so always you will use either single quote or you can use double quote. You cannot write directly without single quote or double quote in JavaScript. So string means collection of alphabets enclosed by single quote or double quotes, right? So here I can say this is a string, this is demo. Okay, I'm writing simply this is demo. So I will display the data type. So I will say console.log, and type of is the method to display the data type of the variable. Okay, so what's the type of this type of value? This is called string type of data. Let me refresh the page. So what's the type? String. Okay, hope it is visible. This data type is string data type. Suppose if I write double quote, and inside the double quote I'm writing a demo variable declaration. Okay, so now what is the type of this? Let me refresh. Still it is what? String type. All right, so this is what? String data type. Now let's check what is boolean. So now we will check boolean. What is boolean data type? Okay, so boolean data type is like if I say let is okay is employee. Okay, so what I can say, like false, this is not employee. Okay, so if I check the type of this is employee variable, so how can I check? So I will write here console.log, and here I will write type of, okay, and is employee is a variable name, right? Okay, let me open the browser and refresh the page. So what type of data it is? Boolean. This is what type of data? Boolean data. True and false is what type of data? Boolean data. Make sure you are writing small t. Okay, so now this is, now we are giving true, which is also Boolean data. Okay, so this is also Boolean data. Okay, so like what is the mean of true? True means 1. Okay, false means 0. Okay, like that we can consider. Okay, so this is all about Boolean data types. Now we have undefined data types. So what is undefined data type? For example, I'm writing here let msg. Okay, I declared. Okay, now what I say, I'm printing it console dot log. Okay, so if I print message, so what it will display, and if I say console dot log type of message, so what it will display. So let me refresh. So value is not there, so it is printing nothing. And what is the type of data? Undefined. Data type is undefined. Okay, means you declare something, but you forget to initialize or assign some data. Okay, if you will assign some data to it, then it is not undefined now. Now it is what type? Now it is string type. Okay, let me refresh. So hello message is coming, and this is what type of data? The string type of data, right? Now, for example, if I create a variable, now we will discuss about array data type. Okay, so what is array data type? For example, I'm writing here like animals. Okay, so I'm creating animals list. So I'll say let me write monkey. Okay, and monkey and tiger. Okay, so this is a list of data. So if I say console dot log, then if I say type of animals, so what is the type of this animal? Let's check. Let me refresh this. Okay, now this is what type means this array. So it will say object. It will print what? Object, because each array in JavaScript known as object. So like how you identify whether it is array data type or not. So you will write here console.log, and you will write here array method, array class dot. There you will write array array dot is array, right? And here it will say array. Okay. So this is how we can check whether it is array or not. Okay, because each array in JavaScript is known as object. So whenever you will write here type of animal, so it will display object. Why? Because this is array we know, but this is considered as an object in JavaScript. That's why we are using with this method is array method. We are checking whether animal is array or not. Okay, so let me click here on browser. Let me refresh. So it is saying this is object and is array is true. All right. So it is printing like this. All right. Now we have another data type which is object data type. Object data type, right? So how we can check object data type? For example, I'm creating here a student. Okay, right? So name. Example, I'm writing here my name. Okay, and then course. I'm writing course MCA, right? And okay, I'm creating only two fields, right? So what's the error? Okay, so like this, I can define an object. Student is object. So let me print the value, print the type of this student log. If I say student, so here let me refresh. So this is printing object, complete object I'm printing. So if I write here console dot log, and here I will say type of student, right? So now it will display what? It will display type of the data. Okay, so this is what object type of data, object type of variable. For example, if I want to print the name, so what I will say, I'll say console dot log, and I'll say student dot name. So it will print what? It will print the name of the student. Let me refresh it. Okay, so it is printing the name of the student. The data types. Okay, so we have seen number data type, string data type, boolean data type, undefined data type, and null data type, array, and object we have discussed. All right, in the next video we will learn operators. All right, so thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. All right.